काय करतोय समोर इथे फोटो मैम वेट वेट मैम वेट यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड या
Yes, please.
I am very excited to be here. It's my second year, and I'm soft launching my own label, Kanika Kapoor. It's the first stall, guys. You all have to go and have a look. And we're supporting a charity which my mother runs called Kalakriti from Lucknow, which is where I belong to. So I hope that it goes really well for everyone today, and all the best to IMC.
Okay, Kanika, the country is celebrating women power. So Rio Olympics में बहुत बड़ा achievement है. So what do you want to say about it?
Well, I think it's great power to everybody who's got made us so proud, and I mean, me being a woman myself, I feel that every girl should try and do her best, live her dreams, and their families should support them, and you can reach wherever you want to.
Thank you so much.
Just like a deep rabbit. My latest song, Dwarka De Beat, Bibooty Beat, Bibooty. I hope you guys have heard it.
Challenge भी लिया.
Challenge लिया सब लोग ने.
Yes.
So the remix is coming out now. So guys, support it and love it, and lots more music coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ऑस्ट्रेलियन ये शायद राकेश मेरा बूम अरे बैग रखो अरे जरा पूरी मालूम है
तेरा फिर कभी वाइट बिगाड़ा तो बोलना मत
Champion, she's a legend in Australian swimming and in world swimming, and we're happy to have Stephanie here. She's been covering the Olympics for us, and she's here as a guest of honor today at the IMC. So Stephanie's also a big proponent of women's empowerment and women's rights, and that's why this event has appealed to her. So I leave it to you to ask.
Absolutely.
How do you see India as involved in the Olympics? Got many
Yeah, India did very well at the Olympics. I think medal-wise, probably we would have liked to have done a little bit better. But I think that there's always ups and downs with each time that the Olympics falls. Some amazing performances. PV Sindhu, an absolute champion. Sakshi Malik, just fantastic. And I think come Tokyo 2020, we'll see so many more medals at those Olympics. So I'm very hopeful to be a part of really creating some great positive momentum.
As you have heard, different cultural things are going on. What attracts you more about India?
I love India. I think it's such an amazing market to be a part of. I love that there is such a big push for females in sport and females in business. Myself, I'm an entrepreneur, obviously an athlete as well. So I guess looking at the Olympics, it was great to see both the medals come from women, and it just goes to show that there's so many opportunities out there for women now, and I love that so much. So I have a big affinity with India. A lot of my followers on social media are from India, and I'm so grateful to be here and be able to, I guess, share my experiences to help others.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
तो टेबल बाप रे बाद में डालेंगे
Thank you, everyone.
Hi, can you tell us about the
ओ मैडम एक कैमरा त्याला खवट्या दे रे व्हिडिओ वाल्याला ये
अरे स्टील जरा द्या आम्हाला पण ए मित्रा
वेट वेट मॅम मॅम वेट
अरे आने दे आगे ए आगे सोनम सोनम सोनम
सोनम मॅम
आगे आगे
Can we do the photos there, Kaushika?
मैम मैम हटो मैम
Sonam, hi.
एक कैमरा झूम वो झूम दादा मैं हूँ
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ यहाँ आके IMC is a great cause. It's a great way to encourage a lot of ladies, a lot of artisans and a lot of various talented people, and it also is for a good cause. So I'm very happy to be here to inaugurate this festival. I know it's going to be extremely successful, and I'm just very happy to be here. I'm very happy to associate with all these amazing ladies from society. So
Sonam, the whole country is celebrating the power of women. So what's your reaction on that? क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ. आपने अगर मेरे Instagram पोस्ट देखे होंगे पिछले 2-3 पोस्ट जो मैंने किए हैं is to celebrate that only. मेरी सिर्फ एक ख्वाहिश है कि I hope कि we put in more money into sport, more money into female education, more money into just everything. You know, I hope the government is more supportive, and also people who get a lot. You know, I feel like I've been born with a lot, I've been blessed with a lot, and it's my duty to give back in whatever way possible, and I try to do that every day, and in my own little way. So we've all been blessed with a lot, and even if we've not been blessed with a lot, even if we're blessed with something, we should give back to society.
So दोनों अगर दीपा सिंधु जैसे अगर किसी की बायोग्राफी में आपको काम करने का मौका मिले तो किस पे
अभी मैंने एक बायोग्राफी कर ली है. अगर जो भी अच्छा आएगा, आई एम श्योर कि इन सब की बायोग्राफीज बनेगी, बिकॉज दे ऑल बी, आई मीन पहले हमें पीटी उषा पे करना चाहिए ना. We should all be celebrating. Anyway, like even मिल्खा सिंह, हमने मिल्खा सिंह की बायोग्राफी बनाई है, हमने उन्हें सेलिब्रेट किया है. I hope many runners get inspired by that, athletes get inspired by that. But you know, we are such a huge country with such a huge population. I'm sure कि हमारे country में बहुत सारे talented लोग हैं. हम सिर्फ IT में भी माहिर नहीं, हम स्पोर्ट्स में भी माहिर हो सकते हैं.
सोनम, बचपन से आप स्पोर्ट्स में कैसे रही हैं? स्पोर्ट्स आपके लिए कैसा है?
बहुत. I was very much into sports. मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलती थी, मैं हैंडबॉल खेलती थी, और मैं रनिंग भी करती थी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस.
मैम जिस तरीके से मैं वहाँ छेड़े में
वीरे दी वेडिंग,
ये बहुत ही DNA से किसी ने हमें फ़ोन नहीं किया क्लैरिफिकेशन के लिए. आज जर्नलिस्ट फ़ोन भी नहीं उठा रहा है. तो ऑनेस्टली इट्स वेरी मिलिशियस गॉसिप. हम सर्टेन पोर्शंस शूट करने वाले हैं, पर मोस्ट ऑफ द फिल्म येस इज गोइंग टू बी शूट इन अप्रैल आफ्टर शी डिलीवर्स, बट अ लॉट ऑफ द पोर्शंस आर गोइंग टू बी शॉट राइट नाउ. तो ये बिल्कुल गलत न्यूज़ है, और इट्स इररिस्पॉन्सिबल यू नो way of writing news. I did not expect it from a publication like DNA. honestly.
सौरभ जिस तरीके
I think in general, this being a patriarchal society, we have a lot of, I mean, even for, for actresses or even for sportswomen, in general, we have a lot of odds stacked against. I'm sure even in the media, you all go through a lot in offices and stuff like that, where you're judged by the way you look or the way you speak, or whether you're pregnant or not, or any of these things. We all go through a lot of issues. We're not looked at as strong, capable people. We're looked at as women who can't do a lot of things, and we're judged on it. I think it's very, very unfair, and hopefully things are going to get better. Because I'm an optimistic person, and something like IMC is also way forward. And that's why I'm so happy to be here to inaugurate this festival. Anything to do with female empowerment, anything for the betterment of a society. If we help women, I think our society gets better, because they actually are the foundations to a better society, a better India. And I think the Olympics has been a great example of it. They could have done much better if we had given them more support. They had better financial support. They had better support from everybody in any way.
एंड सोनम जी, जिस तरीके से अभी आपने बायोपिक्स के ऊपर कहा, तो आपको नहीं लगता है बायोपिक्स के ऊपर आपने जैसे कहा, तो आपको नहीं लगता मैम कि आर डी बर्मन सर के ऊपर भी एक बायोपिक बननी चाहिए?
जी, अभी मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ, अगर अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आएगी विच इज़ रिस्पेक्टफुल एंड इट सेलिब्रेट्स एनी person who has set such a standard for music, or any person who's had an impact on society, banni chahiye, because that's how history is made, no? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you
very
so
much.
चला पाठी हळूहळू चलते रहा दादा की पार्टी Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Oh, sir.
That's the best.
Hey, Radhika.
लाकडाचा टेम्परवर लावलेला पुढे साईडला टेम्परवर येते पण लाकडाला पण अडवलं
गलत पीछे हो जाइए थोड़ा।
ये वो ये
On the stage for lighting the theatre. Come.
तो लेके कहाँ घूमते
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all our distinguished guests. Smiling, Mrs. Radhika Nath, President, IMC Ladies Wing. I request Mrs. Nath to please come up for the dais. We would also like to welcome our chairperson, Mrs. Anuja Mittal, and co-chairperson, Mrs. Koshka Hegde, to join her on the dais. I would also like to invite on stage our Vice President, Mrs. Nayanthara Jain, Sana Kapoor. A special welcome to our guests of honor, who add even more luster to our event with their presence and achievements. The ever so gracious Mrs. Rashmi Thakre. World champion in swimming and multiple gold medalist at the Olympics, Ms. Stephanie Rice. Designer and politician, none other than Miss China NC. The musical genius behind several Bollywood hits, Mr. Sulaiman Merchant. Successful entrepreneur and promoter of GDK companies, Mrs. Preeti Reddy. The lyrical and beautiful Miss Ananta Kapoor.
हो गया भाई
Former sheriff of Mumbai and a dynamic force in the education sphere, Dr. Indu Shahani. Right on stage, the people who have really worked hard to put this exhibition together and make it a great success. Ms. Kalpana Sanaria, Ms. Bharti Gandhi, Ms. Sheena Titlani, and Mrs. Nirmal Bajaj, special invitees. I would also like to welcome all the committee members, Ms. Anandi Gilla, Ms. Bindu Kapoor, Ms. Kalpana Shah, Ms. Neema Narayan, Ms. Arun Patel, Ms. Priya Mansinghani, Ms. Neha Jujubala, Ms. Chandri Lat, platform. Thank you, Greece Foundation, for this heartwarming performance. More power to you all. May I now request
Good morning everyone and welcome to the IMC Ladies Week from women entrepreneurs who do not otherwise have established retail outlets. In order to further the interests of women entrepreneurs, it has also been specially curated for the exhibition to help visitors locate stores beforehand. In this way, we believe our efforts today can bring about positive change.
please request you to say words now?
First of all, thank you. I'm so tall, I don't want everybody to be hidden. First of all, that was very, very beautiful. Thank you, Leeds, for bringing these beautiful children. My first movie that I worked on was this movie called Black, and I had the opportunity of working with visually and hearing impaired kids, and it was one of the best experiences. I learned a little bit of sign language also, so it was very lovely to see. Thank you all wonderful ladies for calling me here. I'm not allowed to call any of them auntie, even though they're all my mom's friends. But it's such a pleasure to be here because I know a lot of the NGOs and a lot of the stalls here are for a good cause, and also to promote handicrafts, handlooms, and just in general Indian, I don't know how to say, Indianness of product. I think we are so fascinated by Western influences. It's so lovely to have this exhibition. I'm so happy to be here and to inaugurate it with all you lovely ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
All I'd like to say is that there is such fantastic good energy here. The main thing that I have picked up is the teen spirit under Radhika.
Our guests of honor. So will you please request to say a few words each?
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.